In this video, I'm going to show you how to let people save your videos on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok app and there hit Add Profile icon. Next, tap at the top right Add menu icon and here tap Add Settings and Privacy. Now there, get into privacy, and here you have to find downloads feature, get into it. By default it's turned off, just hit on that switcher to enable that option, and once this option is enabled it allows other people to download your videos and share downloads to other platforms. If that option is off, a link to your video can still be shared. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.